Ayikho into ebulala izwe lakithi eSouth Africa njengama-drugs. Ayikho into ebulala intsha yalezwe njengama-drugs. Uma ninomndeni engakabibikho umuntu odla ama-drugs kufanele nibonge. Iyona nto ebulala imindeni, ibulala umphakathi, ibulala isizwe. Ngey-6 zikaJulayi uGeneral Mkhwanazi wasitshela ukuthi kune-drug cartel okuyiyona elawula econtrola amaphoyisa, i-judiciary, ama-politicians, zonke lezi inhlaka nayo yonke lemkhakha. And into ebuhlungu ayabanjwa ama-drugs. Kodwa azikho igwebe eziqinile sesizizwe kuthiwa ziphumela laba abatholakala nawo. Ngiyasola mina ukuthi lama-drugs aphinda abuyele back to emphakathini. Nanso-ke into engiyisola ukuthi yenzeka. This week, police at OR Tambo International Airport seized drugs worth a street value of 2.8 million rand. During routine day-to-day operations, police made first discovery of crystal meth worth 2.2 million rand at a cargo warehouse on Wednesday, 4 March 2026. The meth was destined for the Philippines from South Africa. The second drug bust was made at another cargo warehouse where 8 large boxes containing dagga worth 672,000 rand was discovered on Thursday, 5 March 2026. The dagga was shipped from Morocco and was destined to South Africa. The drugs have been seized and investigations are still underway to track down the traffickers of these drugs.
Daily basis, police officers at OR Tambo International Airport are working closely with other stakeholders, the BMA, SARS Customs. They conduct day-to-day operations at the cargo warehouse, at the terminals, and so on. So this past week on Wednesday, they made a discovery at one of the cargo warehouses of crystal meth worth about 2.3 million rand. And upon further investigation, we found that the meth was destined for the Philippines and it was from South Africa. But we're still investigating who may be behind the trafficking of this particular drug. And then on the Thursday, again, while they were conducting their operations and inspections at the cargo warehouses, they made the discovery again of dagga that was to be shipped from Morocco, that was actually shipped from Morocco and arrived in South Africa. Dagga was 672,000 rand. So we are still investigating. No arrests have been made. The drugs have been seized and we are still tracking down the traffickers of these particular drugs.
Of course, this is not the first time, your members are catching criminals with drugs at the airport. Give us a sense. I know you said that on a daily basis you conduct some of these operations, but was there also a tip-off in this case?
So in the last 2 years, we've arrested about 20 drug mules. The majority of them were coming from South America, from Sao Paulo, Brazil, where they were found, the majority of them having ingested, cocaine. So that is a culmination of intelligence-driven operations, because remember, when you ingest something, it's very hard to pick up. But through our thorough investigations, we are able to intercept these individuals. They are then taken to a local hospital where they are taken for scans, and the scans will then confirm that there are foreign objects in their stomach. They are then given something to release those particular drugs. So in the last 2 years, we have arrested about 20 drug mules. There was one Namibian, quite a young girl, that was sentenced to a number of years in prison. She was found last year. She had been coming from Sao Paulo. She had left from Luanda, Angola, to Sao Paulo, and her destination was South Africa, but she was Namibian. We've arrested quite a few, also Brazilians, Nigerians as well that were found that had invested these particular drugs, and as well as young South Africans that are forming part of the syndicate. So we are following the money. We are looking for the handlers because we do believe that the arrests that are being made are just the runners, the people that are being used to traffic these drugs.
Esincome nje ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa ukuthi at least bawabambile lama drugs noma kungenele ngoba kufanele kuyobhidlizwa isidleke. Uma kunama drugs aphuma la eSouth Africa we destined for Philippines kufanele iintelligence iqale manje isebenzele ekuthenini ikuphi la producer khona, ifactory yawo ikuphi, bakwazi ukuyohlakaza lapho njengoba esho nje uBrigadier Lenda Mathe national spokesperson we-SAPS ukuthi labantu abababambayo bangamarana yilaba abathengisayo abantu kodwa akuyibona abantu ngempela bo kingpin abangabanikazi balama drugs abakababambi. Nansi ke into esifisa thina ukubona i-intelligence yenza. General Khumalo nethimba lakhe abaphakamisa amasokisi, i-intelligence ayike manje landele kubanjwe labo kingpin, kuyobanjwa isidleke noma umnyombo lapha producewa khona lama drugs, ngoba uma kuzoqhubeka kube nje asizukuba nalizwe ngempela. Izingane ezelwe zizoba ngamazombi, zizoba zipoko. Yazi mongabona umuntu obhema inyawo obhema zonke lezi zinto ubuka nje emgwaqweni ehamba noma ecosha amathini noma amabox, umbuka nje uvela umzwela. Ngosikhathi abazali bakhe babe nezifiso ezinhle ngaye. Omunye ukhuluma isilungu esihle kabe esidlula ngisho esami mina vele isilungu angisazi. Umbona hawo lo muntu waye esikoleni kodwa ukuthi konakalaphi angazi. Start udaba lokugcina bese siyayivala ivideo. 31-year-old male was arrested after police raided his premises in Lavalia, George, leading to the confiscations of drugs with an estimated street value of 160,000 rand. The suspect appeared in the George Magistrate Court on Friday, 6 March 2026 and was remanded in custody pending further proceedings. On Wednesday, 4 March 2026, members from the Outeniqua K9 Unit and Western Cape Organized Crime Investigations acted on information regarding alleged illegal activities at the residence on Gelderblom Street, Lavalia. During the search, police discovered and confiscated 260 Mandrake tablets, 421 grams of teak, and an undisclosed amount of cash linked to drug trafficking. The accused, a Nigerian national, was arrested in connection with the find. He appeared in court facing charges of dealing in drugs. The matter was postponed to Wednesday, 11 March 2026 for a formal bail application. Police confirmed the operation was part of efforts to curb illegal drug activities in the area. The arrest and confiscation align with the Western Cape policing priorities to close illicit drug outlets and remove drugs from communities. Authorities continue to investigate the source and distribution network connected to the drug seized at the Lavalia premises. The operation forms part of ongoing efforts to maintain public safety. Angathiwa sikhuluma iqiniso, amaphoyisa uma esefuna ukudila nalama drugs aphele ayodila nawo. Amaphoyisa nje uma esefuna wona yonke lenkinga esikhuluma ngayo phela. Angibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho ngale kwalokho mina nabe sesidibana kwivideo elandelayo.